So then how we can get the current location using browser APIs. So inbuilt browser is having so geolocation APIs. So using that one, so we can get the current location. Okay. So then, so in the real time, so when if you want to track the vehicle tracking or other things using this one only, using this ge- browser geolocation only, we can track the status of that vehicle or anyone. Okay. So then now you can see how we can get the current location of user. Okay. So then, so first JS 103.html. Dot type. So then HTML. So then head title geolocation API body. So then body. So then using this one. So I'm creating one button here. Okay. So H2 JavaScript, JavaScript, geo location API example. So then I'm creating one button. Okay. Inside button get geo get current location. Okay. So I'm calling one JavaScript function here. Okay. On click, on click, get current location. It's a function. Okay. Now inside that one side, I'm creating the script function get current location. Okay. Calling this function. Okay. To append the result, I'm creating one h3. Okay. So then id equal to my location. Okay. So this is my id. So then here instead of this one, so then I'm calling if navigator dot, these are the APIs, navigator dot geolocation. Navigator means it's a browser. Okay. Navigator means browser location get geolocation. Okay. So we are calling the browser API. So navigator is means browser, and we are calling the geolocation property. Okay. So inside that one, navigator dot geolocation. Okay. Then get get here. So you can say get current position, get current position. So we are passing show locations. Okay. So this is a callback method. So this is a callback method I am calling. So then after this one function show location. Inside that one, positions. I'm positions. The position. Okay. So then after that, inside, I am appending the result. Where is this one? So document dot get element by ID. So then here is the demo, or what is that one? My location dot inner HTML equal to. So then we are appending the latitude, current location attitude, current location at latitude. So then space colon. So then after that position dot dot coordinates coordinates dot. So here plus is missing. Position dot coordinates dot latitude. Latitude. So then again plus. So then BR second line. Okay. Current location longitude. Okay. Current location longitude position dot 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 is that one longitude. Longitude. Okay. Latitude and longitude. So then now you can say 103 dot exam. Okay. See? So when I click on this button, so it is asking the browser permission if you want to allow your current location or not. Okay. So when you track any tracking related this one or courier related this one, when we click on any button or URL, it is asking the browser permission, know your location. So if you can block this one, so we have to close the browser again, you need to open this one. So if you can allow, browser can track our current location. See, this is the longitude and latitude, it is nearer to this one. So when I open the Google Maps, where so somewhere I can place it, current location. See, 44, 17, 44 and 17, 78, 44. Okay, 17, 45 and 78, 44, it is nearer to that one. Okay, so it is not pointed, but it is taking to the, so exactly it is taking nearer to that coordinates. Okay, so this is the way we can track the geolocation APIs using geolocation API. So we can track the current location of user or vehicle or whatever it may be. Okay, clear? So this is the geolocation API. So then final one is the history. Final one is the history. So we already said, so previous history back and history forward, right? So we are having two type of APIs. So then history back and history forward, right? So then now you can see JS 104.html. Same thing, copy, paste it here. History API. History API. Second. So I have a button called go back. Okay. So another one is forward. Okay. So then I have two buttons. One is history dot window dot history dot back. Okay. So this is one method and this is second method. Okay. History dot forward. Okay. So I'm removing this one using on click only. Okay. So again, you can place the same thing inside of the function only. So if you want to call the function, so then my function. When you call this one, here we have to call fun yes function. So then my function. So same thing we can place it here. Okay. Same thing we are placing. So window.history.back. Okay. So then now you can see 104. Okay. So go back. So it is going to the 103. Okay. So then if you can place it here for suppose. So if you want to go to either 2 or 3. So I want to go 2 steps back. I want to go 2 steps back. So then I am creating another button go 2 steps back. Okay. So I'm creating my function go. Okay. So then creating another function. So then my function go. So then here I'm writing the window dot history dot go. Okay. So how many you want? So you can get it. So then 2 minus 2. Where is this one? Here it is. From here, right? So previously 103. So then we have to go to 103. It is going to the localhost js103.html. Okay, clear? So from here, if you want to come forward, so then we have to go to, wait, let's see, I'm placing 3 here. So then I'm going back 3 steps. I'm going back. So now it is going to the 102. Okay, so then inside 102, if I can place same thing, inside 102, if I can place same thing, 102. Here it is the buttons. Then after that, so it is having in the local host, right? So here is that file 102. So I'm placing inside this one. So then so I have to pass this. Yes, it is already forward is there. Okay. Now you can see I'm reloading this one. So when I click on this forward, it is going to the 103. So then same thing. So if you want to call my function go, my function, so this one, my function go f, that means forward. Okay. So then inside this one, we have to write this one. Either we can write here or we can directly write this one. We can directly write, so this one here. That is this one for. Okay. No need to write function again. Inside, when I click on forward, it is going to 3 steps forward. It is going to 3 steps forward. So when I click on this one, it is going to 3 steps backward. Okay. So this way we can use the go back and forward. So this is also a browser APIs. These are also a browser APIs. Okay. So this is JavaScript, complete JavaScript course. So we are having the advanced JavaScript also, that is ES6. It is useful for either React.js or AngularJS. Okay. So we are having another 4 or 5 classes regarding the jQuery. We are having another 4 or 5 classes